But okay, you're all here, so thank you for joining us. So we talk about collaboration and shared vision. So the first thing I'd like to ask, well, siguro, what is your role in your respective province or city? And at the same time, how do you see the role of collaboration, so as an LGU and as a private sector? Asan yung mic nila? Ayan, dito na pala ako. Okay, so maybe we can start from Councilor Malaluan.
Hello. So good afternoon, everyone. So role sa government, number one bilang legislator, and ako din po kasi yung nag-pioneer nung aming digitalization sa aming LGU, and nasuportahan naman ng aming mayor at saka ng sasanggunian. So ang role po ng LGU, ng government, kanina napag-usapan nga nung Forum 2, is muna mag-bridge the gap sa mga sectoral na madami po kasi ang hindi naintindihan. Pag sinabing ICT, ay computer lang yan, ay kailangan lang ng wifi lang yan. No, but it's a bigger picture na you have to develop muna yung multi-sectors, kahit agrian, sa wholesale retail, sales, etc., hotel, tourism, lahat po kailangan ipantay-pantay, and then you can start building up yung sa ICT natin. Kasi kung hindi makakip up yung industry mo sa iyong bayan, hindi nila ma-utilize ng maigi yung services, at lalo na dun sa ICT ng mga investors and companies, hindi mahirapan silang kumuha ng job pool o ng skills. Kasi katulad nga po niyan, kanina po, sabi po ni Dr. Venison, kahit nag-churn out po ng madaming graduates, madami pong nag-skills training, pero kung hindi po makonect ng government yung academe na mga estudyante, papunta po doon sa private sector, hindi po magkakaroon ng makukomplete yung process na mag-develop yung isang lugar na ICT. So I think yun nga po, bridge ang role ng ating government to regulate, to assess, and then also to help the sector in your town to reach yung isang tinatawag na smart city. So yun.
Thank you, Councilor. We can hear from